how can we ensure our products remain in use for as long as possible? That's the focus of our final product family. Welcome to Sustain Motion. Sustain Motion is all about keeping things in motion. This reaffirms our commitment to a sustainable future. Our aim is to keep products and systems in motion for as long as possible so they can become part of the circular economy. With our digital services, intelligent monitoring systems, and repair and maintenance solutions, we are able to significantly extend the life cycle of our products. Axle damage can sometimes occur in electric vehicles. In such cases, Schaeffler offers a sustainable solution, repairing the electric motor or transmission instead of replacing the entire electric axle.